Rith Bani. Sir, I became a big fan of yours since few months. I admire your knowledge. I was a non-Muslim, now I am a Muslim by belief, but not yet official reversion has taken place. Inshallah, that too will be done. As far as Rith Bani is concerned, if you believe that you are a Muslim and you believe that there is one Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and you believe that Prophet Muhammad is a messenger, you are a Muslim. There is nothing like official reversion in Islam, like in which they have in other religions like baptism or tying the thread. No. In Islam, as long as you believe that there is no one worthy of worship and there is no God but Allah, and you believe that Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of Allah, you are a Muslim. You don't have to tell to the world, but the moment you become a Muslim, you have to follow the rules and regulation of Islam. You have to pray 5 times a day. So if you do not tell people, for you to pray, you may have to hide and pray. So my advice to you is that tell the people as soon as possible so that it will be easier for you to practice Islam. Since you believe in Islam, according to me, you're already a Muslim, but see to it that you fulfill your farais, be in the company of those who are practicing Muslims so that you learn more about the deen and you practice it. If you tell to the others, people may feel bad, may feel hurt, but it will be easier for you to practice your deen and easier for you to go to Jannah. And I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He accept your efforts. All your past sins have been forgiven the moment you accept Islam, and I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to put you in Jannah al-Firdaus. Ameen.